blocks in AutoCAD and how they can make you more productive and more efficient when you're working in your AutoCAD drawings. But also, more importantly, I'm going to show you some nice little tips and tricks with some of the advanced tools in the block editor when you're creating these dynamic blocks. Now, dynamic blocks are extremely useful. They allow you to automate your blocks in AutoCAD. So let's have a quick look at that now. You've got two blocks on the screen in front of you. And what we want to do in this course is get you using the right-hand block there. Now, there are two doors with the door swings. The left-hand door is just a regular block. So if I select that, click on the insertion point grip there, I can move it around. I can use the regular AutoCAD tools like copy, rotate, mirror, etc. But wouldn't it be really nice if I just hit escape there to deselect that one and I select this one and I can mirror it with one click. That's what this flip action does here. So as you can see, I'm mirroring that door down a vertical center line like that using that flip action. I'll just hit escape to deselect it. So that's the benefits of dynamic blocks. You can see that straight away. I can flip that right-hand door really quickly and easily. And that's a really basic example of an advanced dynamic block. A normal dynamic block, you just drop it into the drawing, hit the flip action, change the door swing. I'm going to show you how to create that and more in this course. I'm going to show you how to use things like the flip action, the rotate parameters, visibility states, and so on. And all of these tools will allow you to create a really cool library of dynamic blocks with those advanced functions to make you more productive and more efficient when you're working in AutoCAD. So what should you know before you start this particular course? Well, ideally, you should have a good background in AutoCAD already. You should have maybe taken the Learning AutoCAD course, the AutoCAD Essential Training course in the library so that you know all the methodologies and terminology in AutoCAD already. Because I will be mentioning certain things in this particular course where if you haven't used AutoCAD before, you might not be aware of how those tools or that terminology works within AutoCAD. What you should also know is that we are using AutoCAD 2020 for this particular course, which is the latest version of AutoCAD. And the other thing that you should know when you're working in this particular course is how a regular block functions. Not a dynamic block, but how a regular block functions. So in this particular drawing you can see in front of you, there's a regular block there. When you select it, it's all one object with that insertion point grip just there, like so. So you can move it around and use that grip to manipulate the block. Now, regular AutoCAD blocks are a standard thing. They are covered in a lot of the AutoCAD Essential Training courses available in the library. But you should ideally have a background knowledge of them and a background knowledge of AutoCAD before you take this course. A set of exercise files has been provided for this course. Now, the exercise files themselves are AutoCAD